Apple released macOS Tahoe 26.4.1 on April 9, 2026, roughly 2 weeks after the 26.4 update. This is a point release, meaning it does not introduce new features. The focus is strictly on bug fixes and stability improvements carried over from the previous version. The main resolved issue affects M5 series hardware specifically, including the M5 MacBook Air and the M5 Pro and Max MacBook Pro models. On these machines, a bug prevented successful connections to 802.1x Wi-Fi networks whenever content filter extensions were active. This type of network is standard in enterprise, corporate, and educational environments. The 26.4.1 update finally resolves that connection failure. Apple's official release notes describe the update as providing bug fixes without itemizing additional changes. There are no new emojis, no interface changes, and no major security patches listed. It appears to be a targeted cleanup of issues that surfaced following the 26.4 rollout. As a reminder, the preceding 26.4 update was much broader, featuring a compact tab bar in Safari, battery charge limit controls, and freeform improvements. This new 26.4.1 patch follows that update without adding to it, simply smoothing out the edges. To install, open System Settings from the Apple menu, go to General, then Software Update. As always, creating a backup before proceeding is highly recommended. Even if you're not on an M5 chip, the stability improvements make this a recommended download for everyone. But I want to hear from you. How are you feeling about the liquid glass look? Is the refractive interface a visual masterpiece, or is it a bit too much for your daily workflow? Let me know in the comments. Hit that subscribe button for more Mac news, and I'll see you in the next one.